2, 3, 4, 5. Hello. So right now I am doing chores around the camper, just cleaning up. It's around the afternoon time now. This morning there was like a crazy storm. Like I think it started like 4 in the morning. So I saw flashing lights through the window. Like they were like, it woke me up. And it was lightning. But the yard is like covered in water. Like little creeks everywhere. So yeah. Now I know where to not start a garden because I don't want my garden to be flooded. So yeah. Oh damn. Hello, are you gonna go see the water with me? You can't swim in it. She keeps jumping in the water and then being very surprised by like how deep it is. Good girl. Wow. That's crazy. I thought, oh, I don't know if you saw from my last video, but this whole entire, like, right here is a walkway, and then down there is also a walkway, and there's supposed to just be a little creek. Just a little creek, but no, it's all covered. I wonder how high up the, the log is. Oh, it is, huh. It's not as high as I thought it would be over there. So, yeah, I just wanted to share that. Plus, ow! Ugh, when the dogs get excited, they like run past these thorns, and they can't feel them. Apparently, I can. Oh. Anyways, just wanted to show. Come here. Hey, come on. Oh, come on. I come back. Did you open that door? Did you open the? Did you open the door? Oh. Oh my goodness, I'll let you out. So I'm about to start painting, and this is my setup. My brushes, palette, colors, inspiration, and inspiration. These are my brushes, and I am drinking cold lemon tea. Sorry. So yeah. Okay, let's paint. This butterfly thinks I'm a flower. I am not a flower. Bye. We are getting ready to plant flowers so that we can have like a little butterfly garden, and then we're going to put birdseed all around so that like all these birds come over here and yeah, make it all beautiful and comfy. Yeah. Right now I am planting. I made some soil. This soil is really clay-like, so I mixed it with some like peat moss and like just some stuff from the Dollar General. And planting everything in their little pots to germinate in the house. Since it's a little too cold, there might be another frost. Just all these little, I'm planting lavender, tomatoes, lettuce, pumpkin, and sweet pepper, watermelon, some chilies, I don't know, and then flowers, lots of flowers, because butterflies and bees and hummingbirds, all those little beautiful things that come with spring. So yep, that's what I'm doing. So these little guys that I'm keeping up with are like way bigger since the rain last night. And then there's 2 more. No. Yep, 2 more right there. I still don't know what they are. Bats keep flying through in front of the camper, and I'm trying really hard to catch one, but there it is. Oh, there they are. My camera literally will not pick them up. Oh, I'm so disappointed. Look, 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 look. That's a bat. Oh my god. I know, like, that's so crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's a bat. That's a bat. That's a bat. That's a bat. That's not a bird. Where is it? It's right there. That's a bat. It's a freaking bat. Is that not the craziest thing? I know I should probably like not be out here hanging out with it, but like I'm literally amazed. A bat. Look. Oh, and there's a hawk and there's a bat. Oh my god. Can I get a good view of it? That's the hawk. Or some kind of, and then there's the bat. There's like 2 or 3 of them, and they are just like fluttering all around in front of the camper. Yeah. I think he's gone. He's going back to where they go. I thought they just went to caves, but I guess they can hang out in trees too. Yeah, I'm gonna go in and let them be. I just thought that was like the coolest thing ever. Like, in what world? That's insane. Okay, I'm done. They're so cute. Sam. Sam. Come back up here. Come in. You're gonna fall. Good girl. Look at all that water. After the rain the other day, that big heavy rain, everything is sprouting. Like all, there are little white flowers all over the grass. Wow, they're everywhere. And then these plants that I've been checking on are getting a lot bigger. Still don't know what they are, but there's a lot of them. Probably just some kind of leafy plant. The ticks are pretty bad out here. You have to pull off like a million of them every single time you go down here, which don't bother me none. It's fine. Just gotta make sure to pull them off. The water is no longer muddy. It's all bluey and greeny. So pretty. Looks like another one of those things I've been looking at. Yeah, it's real pretty. I'm just gonna step in for a little bit. Today's just got some stuff going on in my life that's out of my control, so I'm just trying to enjoy the beautiful things I do get to have, you know. We bought a kite at the Dollar Tree. And it's flying. Don't the sky look so crazy? Goodness, all those clouds. Those over there look odd. Little triangle. So the other day I was working on a painting and I showed you guys the start of it, but I was going to show you the finished result. So this is a continuation of this painting that I did a while back that I really, really loved. And it sort of connects with this one, but it's the same like style and stuff. But that's the finished result. I mean, sometimes I'll go back on paintings and edit them a little bit, but this is basically, let's see if I can get it to, yeah. Just a little sun, a moon, meditating eyes, stars, faces, just, you know, the stuff that sits in my mind.